Good morning, welcome back to a sunny morning at Carlton Motor Company. As you can see, we're going to have a look around the Ford Transit 66 plates, the L3 350 Dropside. As you can see, it has the tool pod on the side. It's 140,000 miles. It's the 125 brake horsepower. Lovely clean body on the back. I'm going to take a look around this one. The engine's running. I'll show you inside the cab as we usually do. So you can see you've got your beacon on the top. Full width beacon, front LEDs, twin rear wheels this one. Pop this tool pod open. See shelves inside, access from both sides, cab. Radio CD unit. It is the stop start one, this one. Tow bar on the rear, as you can see. Floor, body, satellite use. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the day.